Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel NC Diaries. My name is Neetu Chadha. Today I am going to make theplas. Theplas are the Gujaratis chapati. It is made up of green vegetables like Feengreek. So we are going to take wheat flour 2 cups. In that we will add some spices, basic spices like coriander powder, carom seeds, turmeric, chilli, and then lot of sesame seeds. We will add little bit of ghee, oil or butter. Mix it well. If you don't like any spices, you can please ignore. Just add salt and black pepper into it. And then we add fenugreek leaves with lot of coriander leaves. To make a dough, we are going to add curd or buttermilk, and then we are going to make a soft dough like this. We will grease it with a little oil or ghee and then make it soft. See, the dough is ready. We'll keep it for 5 minutes. And now we will make a thepla. It is just like parathas, but not paratha. We add little bit of sugar also in it. Now we are going to make a roll like this. Flatten it and then we will roll it like a chapati, but it will be thin. Will be thinner as compared to the chapati is. You can see how thin the thepla is, and see, it is very soft. So now we can make it. Put it on hot tawa. See, we can see when it is getting brown, we will turn and then put little ghee on it or oil and fry it. Today's thepla I have made it with fenugreek, but we can make the thepla with spinach or any other green vegetables. See how beautiful it is looking, and it is very tasty too. So if you like this winter recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye. Jai Mata Di.